Pallets, boxes, bins and crates. All load carriers that get contaminated while working with food products. A manual wash in larger amounts is insufficient. And what about the waste of water? One small misstep, like a dirty corner, can lead to cross-contamination and unnecessary problems. Elpress Industrial Washing Systems offers plug-and-play solutions for both small entrepreneurs and large franchises. Thanks to years of experience in custom washers, we've developed a variety of modular systems with a perfect balance between temperature, time, chemicals and mechanical force. All our systems are thrifty with water, energy and cleaning agents, without making concessions to the cleaning itself. No matter which type of load carriers you use, or which type of food products you produce, Elpress has experience in the full spectrum of the food industry. Enter a world of hygiene at elpress.com/learn more.